Hello, in this video, I'll demonstrate how to add an IP address to the list of blocked IPs in bit form. Let's begin. Start by clicking on your form name. Then, go to the Settings section and scroll down. Click on Blocked IP List and turn it on. Now, add your IP address to the list. Click on the Update button to save your changes. Now, let's try submitting a form. Reload the page. When you try to submit the form, you'll find that you're blocked from submitting the form. Now change IP address and reload the page. Then attempt to submit the form again. You'll see that it goes through successfully. Thank you for watching this video.